Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon, and in today's video I am back with another Coey bags review. I've worked with them so many times in the past and I love them. They specialize in high quality reps, and so let's just get straight into this unboxing. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you are aware of when I post, and let's get straight into it. Okay, so this time I am unboxing another Louis Vuitton luggage bag. So if you haven't already seen my other one, I did the Louis Vuitton luggage bag for me, and then this time I did pick out one for my husband so that whenever we travel or something, we both have our Louis Vuitton luggage bags. So of course I did the famous male color. So this is in the Damier bean, but it's in that black and like grayish color. So really nice. I love the quality of this bag. Of course it did come in the box, so you do get a box. Love that. So of course we've already unboxed it and looked at it, and it does come with a dust bag as well to keep your bag nice and safe. But yeah, the actual bag is super nice. Love the quality of it. So this is it, and it's going to be perfect for travel, perfect for just anything. So this is the side of it, and if you hear my son, I'm sorry. And then this side, bottom of it. And as you guys know, when I always mention Coey bags, the quality of their bags are really nice. They do mimic the quality that's in the high-end stores. So I do actually need to remove the rest of the plastic on this bag, but this is the one, I believe the 50, because it has the 50 on there. And then it also has Louis Vuitton on the details of the bag. So really nice. I do have to remove the plastic from like around here, but the inside of the bag does come with the handles, so if you want to wear a long strap you can. So I really like that about this. So you do have the options of the straps that are included in here, and then it also has the key and the lock if you want to lock up your bag. And then so the inside just has a zipper compartment, so perfect for travel. And it's just very big with a lot of space. And another perfect thing I like too is that it has this little clasp, so if he wanted to attach like his Louis Vuitton keychain there too for travel, he could, and that would be a nice touch. So yeah, this bag is really nice, you guys. I will have it linked down below, plus a discount code if any of you guys are interested in getting yourself a Louis Vuitton luggage bag. I hope you guys all enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.